In a world where smartphones are an integral part of our daily lives, running out of storage can be a frustrating experience. To kickstart the process of freeing up valuable space on your phone, begin by assessing what is taking up the most storage. Navigate to your phone's settings and locate the storage management option. Here, you'll find a breakdown of your storage use, often revealing that photos and apps claim significant portions. This first step is crucial. Taking stock of your storage might uncover surprising insights about your usage habits. Having identified the primary offenders, it's time to tackle your photos and videos. Begin by deleting duplicate or unnecessary images that clutter your gallery. Utilize cloud storage solutions to back up these precious memories while opting to remove them from your device. Services like Google Photos or iCloud can automatically organize and store images, ensuring you don't lose anything that matters. Additionally, consider offloading videos. Long recordings can consume a hefty chunk of space. Transfer them to your computer or an external drive, freeing up more room for essential apps and updates. Apps often accumulate data that can hog resources. Go through your apps and decide which ones you use regularly and which are merely taking up space. Uninstall the apps you rarely use and check for options to clear cached data in the settings menu for those you wish to keep. For social media apps, take note that they typically store lots of data. Consider logging out or even deleting those apps and accessing them through a web browser instead. You can also check for any old text messages and downloads that no longer hold importance, as these can also build up unnoticed over time. Finally, don't forget about your music and podcast library. Streaming services have revolutionized how we enjoy audio, so assess your downloaded files. Delete any albums or podcasts you're no longer interested in. Some apps allow you to stream content on the go, eliminating the need to store heavy files. Once you've followed these steps, perform a final check of your storage to revel in the newfound space. By systematically working through your digital clutter, you'll reclaim control over your device, creating a smoother and more efficient user experience.
Welcome, friends. Today, we'll dive into a simple yet effective method to lock any app on your Android phone using just the phone's settings. No additional applications needed. This not only secures your information, but also adds an extra layer of privacy to your daily smartphone usage. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, locate the Settings app on your home screen. As you scroll through the menu, look for the Security or Privacy section. Note that names may slightly vary depending on your device's manufacturer. This is the heartbeat of your phone's security features. Once there, find yourself drawn to the App Lock option, a gateway to safeguarding your apps. Upon opening App Lock, you might be prompted to establish a PIN or utilize your fingerprint, establishing a gateway for app access. I'll use my fingerprint for this demonstration. Now feast your eyes on a list of applications across your phone. Locate Skype among the choices and flip the toggle next to it. In a heartbeat, it's locked and secured, ensuring only you can access it. Now it's time for a little test. Going back to my app drawer, I tap on Skype, and to my surprise, it demands my PIN or fingerprint. A quick touch. And just like that, I have unlocked my app successfully. This method ensures your privacy remains intact, allowing control over who gets access to your personal apps. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Until next time, stay secure.